In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Autogpt from a web browser without needing to dive into any Python code. This easy method allows you to utilize the power of Autogpt directly from your favorite browser, making the process both accessible and straightforward for even the most novice users. First, let's head over to our starting point. You'll want to open your web browser. Once there, type in the URL agentgpt.reworkd.ai. This handy platform facilitates running Autogpt by offering a user-friendly interface that requires no prior coding experience. A great tip here is to bookmark this page for quick access in the future. After you've landed on the home page, you should see an option labeled as Cognosis AI. Click on that, as it will direct you to the interface where you can begin working with Autogpt. Here, it's important to note that this platform's interface is designed to streamline the process, making it intuitive and efficient for users at all levels. Now you will see a button that says either Launch App or Get Started. Click this button, which will guide you through the process of setting up your access. If you haven't already created an account, this would be the perfect time. You can sign in with Google for a faster login option or create a free account if you prefer. This flexibility makes it convenient to keep track of your sessions and activity with Autogpt. Once inside, locate the box labeled as Agent Name. This is where you get to name your bot. Naming your bot can be a fun way to give it some personality and can also help you easily identify it if you decide to create multiple agents for different tasks. Moving on, the next box you'll see is the Goal box. Type in what you wish Autogpt to accomplish. This could be anything from generating creative content to handling data analysis. Be clear and specific about your objectives to ensure the bot understands your needs. With your goals set, you can now click on Deploy Agent or Start. This action initiates the process where Autogpt begins executing tasks based on your input, right within your browser. Watch closely as it automatically plans and runs through the tasks with no coding or extensive setup required from you. Finally, know that you have complete control over this process. You can pause, edit, or rerun the agent at any time during its operation. This functionality is particularly useful if you need to make adjustments or refine your instructions throughout the workflow. And there you have it. Running Autogpt from your web browser without needing Python code is as simple as following these steps. I hope you found this guide